In the Edmodo Advanced features, we're going to look more at how you can combine Edmodo with other technologies to produce a much more media-rich and more interactive way of working with your students. Now, I'm going to demo just one quick example, and I'll do this by simply using the wall. We'll be looking at assignments and quizzes in more detail, but let's imagine, for example, I want to share something with my students. Very simple activity. So let's first of all click on a group and come into a group, and we're going to share a post with that group. So I'm going to click here, just click on sharing a post, and what I'm going to do though is I'm going to go to a tool called Vocaroo, which is a free tool on the internet. I'm going to click on this button here, and first of all I'm going to create a sound file. So I'm going to click on allow, and just going to do a recording. So this could be the students having to do a listening comprehension. I could be talking about something I want the students to listen to and then react, whatever. I'm just doing the recording now, whatever it is. Stop the button. I can quickly check that that worked. So that's perfect. Going to stop that now, and then I'm going to share it. Now what I want from this, and there are two possible ways with Edmodo of working, is I could download the MP3 file and share that with the students, but what I'm going to do for now is just simply copy that link. Copy that link, come back to Edmodo, and now I'm going to say to my students, listen to this and write your answer. As just a very quick example of what I mean. I'm going to click on the link, paste in that sound link, click here. You have to wait until it brings up the title, attach that to the post, and now send it to the students. Now in this case, what the students have then got to do, of course, is to listen to the recording and then of course reply to it. So immediately you see we can make the whole thing a lot more media rich and get students involved in activities. If I was to click on that button, you'll see that it will open up the page where the students can then listen. Okay, so we're going to look at different ways of combining Edmodo with Skype a little bit, because it can be great for online delivery, but mainly in terms of making it more media rich. We'll be looking at things like adding sound, adding video, adding Google Docs, and the types of things that those tools can do. Now, Edmodo combines really well with Skype, but obviously Skype is what you do in the classroom with your students, and the Edmodo is the extra additional homework and activities that the students can do outside of the class. So we'll also be looking at the way that Edmodo can work with Skype. Hopefully it'll be a really interesting session. It'll be something a bit different, and it will be a new course that I've never previously run.